Then the second one is with the shooting at Katumba recently. Oh, a whole general has been shot. If a whole general can be shot, how about us? How about us? It seems the situation is very bad. The situation is very bad. Because if a whole general can be shot, then how about we? So I think we should run away and go to Nani. I don't know, go where. Then thirdly, now this one I saw, I think it was yesterday or today, I saw it in that bad paper called Monitor. So, the elite, the elite are not sleeping. They are worried about their security. In the past, the elite ran away out of Uganda, but now they're in a dilemma. They don't know where to run away because they have a lot of property. They don't want to leave it here. So they are like the hyena. The hyena, one day the hyena was swallowing a hot something. It was hot. It couldn't swallow. Then somebody said, okay, if you can't swallow, then you spit. So it couldn't spit because it was sweet. It couldn't swallow because it was hot. So the Monitor was saying that the elite are now stuck because they have a lot of property, but they are worried. They want to run away, but if they run away, how will they leave their property? General Mramba, if he can be attacked, how about we, the ordinary people? The general, if he's not alert, and the population is not alert, can be attacked. Because you must have heard that the generals have blood, unless you have discovered that the generals don't have blood. But if they have blood, they can be attacked. Now, in the case of Katumba, he had also made mistakes, because apparently he was moving without a follow car. That he used to have a follow car when he was CDF, but when he became a minister, he was not moving with a follow car. He was moving with one escort and with a driver. Now that one was, I didn't know that because a four-star general, given that we still have some of these isolated incidents, he should be having a follow car, and now he has it. Because if he had had a follow car, that one would not, it would not have been easy to attack him. But even then, the bodyguard reacted, and that's how he chased away the killers, and 2 people died, but he saved himself, the bodyguard, and the general, although he was injured. But when something like this happens, it is because the whole country was relaxed. They were not like when we got mobilized with Nachambade there, and now we are now mobilized. Like, for instance, these fellows who attacked Katumba, actually they met a traffic police. But the traffic police was not armed. He tried to stop them, they ignored him, they passed. So you can see now, these people are using our laxity, our peace, to commit crime. But as Nachambade said, when you provoke us and we wake up, what will you do? Because we shall eventually get you. Now, the traffic police are going to be armed. So you no longer come and pass by the traffic police like they did. They will be armed now, or they will be paired with armed people. You try to pass, they shoot you. So therefore, it is not not correct to say the general, because therefore, it is because there were weak elements in the security of the general that this happened. But it cannot continue. It cannot continue. We shall react. During this time of that insecurity, when they were killing the women in Entebbe, killing women in Nansana, you remember those killings? We mobilized LDUs. They were attacking factories. They wanted factories, I think, to close. We mobilized and guarded all the factories. LDUs were everywhere, and the crime was defeated. So therefore, the story by the Monitor, that the people are worried, the elite are worried, please. Yes, they may be worried because of your misinformation, but I'm telling you that we shall defeat this insecurity like we did it in the past. And I thought I should alert you on this. So my comrade Nachambade, when she became a hero, I looked for her in, is it Karungu? And I recruited her. She was a nurse there, local nurse. I said, you come and be nurse of special forces. So she's now one of my warriors. I normally find her at VIP checking corona and so on. So I thought she should come and give you her testimony of how insecurity was stopped in the Masaka area by getting rid of the Chidawarime gang. They were all either killed or arrested. I thought I should talk a little bit about security also. The other day at Kororo, I talked a bit about security, but I was talking about many things. But I have been reading papers, and I saw some people writing, especially in the Monitor. That Monitor has got all sorts of very confused people. One of these days I will answer them. I actually picked one of their papers some weeks ago and kept it. And when I have time, I will answer them. Now, when they are dealing with the security, they now want to spread pessimism and worry about security. And from what I could see, they were making 3 points. Point number one was, these people who are killing people, who have been killing people even in the past, investigations are done, but they are never completed. That's one line.